Living in a Castle 2 with Medrod and Gwalia. Written and illustrated by Sarah L. Dolan. Which hat is the hat for you? Medrod the cat. A castle is where I'm at. This is my castle, and I'm its cat. The ladies give me hugs. The knights give me fish. Life in the castle is not bad at all. Access all areas 24/7. This is my castle, my piece of heaven. Except for the fleas. Scritching and scratching. Keep your hat on, lady. Keep your hat on, man. Stop! All that scratching, itching is catching. Medrod was slicker. Medrod was cleaner. Medrod was hip with the people, as Medrod was meaner, killing rats and mice to keep the castle nice. Until the problem with the hat and the rat. Phew! I'm not a rat! Eek! Eek! I'm just a mouse! Until the problem with the hat and the mouse. Gwalia, the medieval mouse. Eek! Eek! That's me! Medrod trapped Gwalia under a hat. The hat could move. The hat could groove. The people were scared. It's witchcraft! There's a witch in the castle, and the witch has a hat. Catch the cat. Find the witch! Medrod was fast. Medrod was quick. Medrod was gone in a flash.